Diva. So today I will be doing another Amazon review, and today I will be partnering up with Julia here. I want to show you ladies that you do not have to break the bank to look cute. I go over and check out Amazon. I will leave all the information down below where you ladies can purchase this wig. So let's just jump into the specs. When you get your wig, it will come in a box like this. Now this wig is a 360 lace frontal wig. This is my first time working with a 360 wig, so I'm super excited to see how this is going to turn out. When you open the box, this is all the contents that come in the box. You do have your wig, as well as some cute lashes. And you do get some wig caps. Now, I don't wear wig caps, so this is just going to go in my stash. Now, the wig do come in a baggie like this. Yeah, I know I love these type of bags because all I have to do is just label them. And once I'm finished wearing my wig, I just pop it in this bag for storage. And it do come like this. The wig do have a hairnet over it. And off the back, I love this pattern. This is a beautiful wave pattern. They do have some tissue paper inside. Now this wig is 16 inches. I'm going to just run my hands through it. So far, I'm not getting any type of shedding, any snagging or anything. So that is a plus. Now I'm just going to turn the wig inside out and show you guys the construction of the wig. Now this is how the inside of the wig is looking. You do have your comb in the nape area. You do have two combs right here, as well as an adjustable strap. Now guys, this is a 360 lace frontal wig, so that means there is lace all the way around the perimeter of the wig. You do have a good amount of parting space in the front, and as y'all know, in the middle is just tracks. So in the middle, you guys won't be able to part like literally straight down the middle. Now this wig did come in an inch of 16 inches. Say it was pre-plucked, as well as have baby hairs with a natural hairline. And this wig is 150 density. I will be going in and I will be bleaching the knots on this wig. I probably won't do that on camera because I have two detailed videos on how to bleach your knots on a lace frontal wig, as well as how to bleach your knots on a lace closure wig. So if you guys did not go and check it out, I will leave it down below and as well as in the cards, so you guys can go and check out that super easy tutorial on how to bleach your knots. The ends of the wig is nice and full. They're not jagged, so that is also great. So stay tuned. have run into a little problem, and the problem is the placement of the combs on these wigs. So normally when I sew my elastic band, as I did show you guys, I normally follow the comb placement. Normally where the comb is placed, that gives me my guide on where to apply my elastic band. So when I went to go try on my wig, I'm like, why do it feel like the wig is falling off? So apparently the where these combs is placed in the wig, combs on the side, is too far back to the back comb. So that's where I'm running into the issue at. Normally where this comb is, normally it should be placed somewhere up here. So when I do go to put the wig on, it fits really snug on my head, but the comb placement is close to the back. So when I go to put the wig on, it feels like the wig is falling off. So now I have to go and take this elastic band off and move it up here so the wig could fit snug on my head. So I just wanted to show you guys, just in case you guys did apply y'all elastic band and you noticing it is not fitting right, or you feel like the wig is about to fall off, it could be the placement of the combs. So just keep that in mind. Y'all, so I am back. This is the finished result of the wig. Now guys, trying to get this elastic band placement on this wig was very crazy. Like, I was getting really annoyed. This is my first time working with a 360 lace frontal wig. Honestly, there was nothing wrong with the wig. Only little small problem that I did run into with the wig was the placement on the combs was kind of pushed too far back. So I did go readjust my elastic band for the second time. It felt like it was only securing the back of the wig. So I had to find a way to secure the front, because if you're a female like me who wear glueless application, I rather have the front to be held down rather than the back. The back is not too bad because it is the adjustable straps in the back as well as the comb. Y'all, if y'all hear any noise in the background, it's because my rude neighbors are at it again with the arguing. Like, back to what I was saying, I'm not too concerned about the back of the wig. My only main concern is the front of the wig. So I noticed even though I did change the position of my elastic band, the elastic band was still too far back. If you guys are having this issue with a 360 lace frontal wig, what I did to help me find the placement for the elastic band, where you guys go and cut over your ear, I use my ears as a guide. I move my elastic band close to the front. So pretty much the elastic band is sitting in front my ear rather than in the back of my hair. That's what helped hold the front of the wig down. Now, if I want to do a ponytail, of course, I am going to have to tack down the little sides, because the sides is not glued down, so they are moving a little bit. But this hair did not have any smell to it when I did take it out the box. It did not tangle on me when I washed it. I did get minimal shedding, and that's because I did pluck my frontal, so I already knew that was to be expected. But overall, this hair is really soft. It's easy to curl. Maybe my next tutorial I'll do like a little roller set for you guys and show you guys how to do a roller set on this wig. But I do like how it turned out. But overall, I do like this hair. Definitely, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video as well as smash that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to that subscribe button so every time I upload a video, you guys can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.